Just think for a while about those famous photos of astronauts standing on the moon. The sun is hitting them, their spacesuits are blindingly white, but the shadows right next to them are pitch black. It looks eerie, harsh, and completely lifeless. Why? Because the moon has no atmosphere to catch the sunlight and bounce it around. When you open a level in Unreal Engine 5 and turn off the skylight, you will see the exactly same problem. Everything turns out to be lifeless and dark. Of course, it's not a big problem if you seek to create exactly this kind of atmosphere, but if you want something realistic, you need this skylight. But before we touch anything, we need to create a simple mental model. UE5 lighting is built from the three systems working together. First, we have a directional light. This is your main light source. It creates shadows, direction, time of the day. It's basically your sun in the sky. I actually break down the directional light in detail in this video, which explains how the sun system really works in UE5. I'll link it below if you want to go deeper. Next, sky atmosphere. This is important. This is not lighting, this is your actual sky system. It creates blue skies, sunsets, horizon colors, and atmospheric scattering. Basically, it decides what your sky looks like. Without it, it really breaks the whole vibe. And finally, the skylight. Now this is the one we care about today. The skylight does not create light from a lamp. Instead, it takes the sky around you and softly spreads its color into everything in your world. So think of it like this. The sun gives direction, the sky gives color, and the skylight spreads that color into your shadows. If you really want to understand how all these lighting types work together in Unreal Engine, I made a full lighting breakdown video that connects all of this into one system. A simple visual idea. For example, if you stand outside on a sunny day, even in the shade, you can still see details, shadows are not pure black, and everything has a slight blue tint from the sky. That is the skylight in real life. To add a skylight into the scene, go to the top of your Unreal Engine, click Quick Add, go to Lights and select Skylight. You'll see a small icon appear in your scene. Now, here's something important. You can move it anywhere. It doesn't matter, because skylight is not a physical light. It affects the entire world equally. Now let's move to important settings. Select your skylight, and on the right side you'll see the details panel. So let's go through only what matters. You'll see three options: static, stationary, and movable. Here's the simple rule. Use movable. Always. Why? Because Unreal Engine 5 uses a system called Lumen, which allows real-time lighting changes. So movable means dynamic lighting, day and night cycles, and real-time updates. So just set it to movable and forget about it. Now we move to the source type. This is where the light comes from. We have a SLS captured scene. This means the skylight looks at your actual sky, takes a full 360-degree snapshot, and turns that into ambient lighting. So if your sky turns orange at sunset, your shadows also become warm. That's what makes it feel real. To test, hold the right mouse button and press Ctrl L to rotate the sun. And you can see immediately how atmosphere changes into sunset. To have everything in one place, I also made a simple downloadable PDF version of this guide, so you can follow it step by step while working inside Unreal Engine. You can download it below. Now let's move on. We have a next property, it's a real-time capture. Now look for this checkbox. Turn it on, and here is why. Without it, you change time of the day, nothing updates, and lighting feels stuck. And with it, everything updates instantly, and lighting reacts in real time. If something ever feels broken, it's usually this checkbox. We have an intensity scale. This controls brightness, and simple rule is, if your scene is too dark, increase it. If everything looks flat and washed out, decrease it. Simple as that. Next we have a light color. Most of the time, you can leave this alone. You may ask why, because your sky atmosphere already controls natural color. Only change this if you want a stylized mood. Now here's the cool part. UE5 uses something called Lumen. You don't need to overthink it. Just know this. Lumen makes light behave realistically in real time. So when you combine skylight, sky atmosphere, directional light, and Lumen, you get believable indoor or outdoor lighting instantly. So if you build a house, for example, light won't just pass through the walls anymore. It behaves like a real light. Let's fix some common problems that you might run into. For example, my scene is completely black. That means you don't have a sky system. To fix it, add a skylight and a directional light, because skylight needs something to read. If everything looks flat and washed out, your skylight is too strong. So to fix it, just lower intensity scale. Lighting doesn't update when I change time of day. So to fix it, make sure the skylight is movable and make sure to turn on real-time capture. And if your shadows look weird or stuck, it's the same issue, real-time capture is usually off. So just turn it on. So directional light gives your world structure, sky atmosphere gives your world a sky, and skylight gives your world realism. Without skylight, everything feels like a game, and with it, everything starts to feel like a real place. If you want to continue, next step is the directional light video. That's where we break down the sun system in Unreal Engine 5. So if you want that, stick around and I'll see you in the next one.